We're in a bit of a tight spot here. May be lost forever. We'll see. No, I don't think too many people have been down here recently. And I just fell into some brambles. I said something would happen. Caught on something. You have to just go back. Get out of that. Hello, brambles. Oh dear. Okay, here we go. Nope. I'm too old for this. Maybe. I need someone on the back here. More brambles. Here we go. I think I've come the wrong way, to be honest. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Roll. Do a bit of rolling. There we go. Let's do a bit of walking and see what we're at here. Maybe a little safer. Yeah. Nope. I'd say not. Ah, fuck. Twice. 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 Let me. Well, you wanted the rough stuff, Biffo. This is what happens. Yeah, where you going? Oh, yeah. Okay, look where you're going. We're going to turn this bike around. That's what I got. Oh, fucking hell, going again. That's what I got stuck on. Ooh, one of those. Come on. Come on. 62 years old. I'm fucking about in bushes. I'm not in a good way. The roots you gotta watch out for. And your leg falling off. It's always a bit of an issue. Stay on like you're fucking supposed to. No fun at all. No fun at all. That's 20 minutes out of my day. Red. Which is good. Alright, let's give this another try. Can we do it? Maybe not. Yet too much of an angle. Try it here. Well, the bike is holding up. I'll give it that. That one doesn't look any